Alright, let's look at the second example. This is the curved surface area of a cylindrical thing is 704 centimeters square. Calculate the height when the radius is 8 centimeters. Take our pi to be 22/7. Okay, very easy. We know that the curved surface area, let's call it C.S.A, curved surface area of a cylindrical thing, of cylinder, equals to, that's the base circumference, the circumference of the base, that's 2 pi r times the height. So the base circumference times the height. So the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So from there, we are told that the curved surface area, this one here, is 704 centimeters square. So whenever we see C.S.A here, we put 704 equals to centimeters square, equals, we have our 2 times, the pi is 22/7, 22/7 times the radius, what's our radius? 8 centimeter, 8 cm, times the height which we are looking for. From here, cross multiply, this becomes, multiply both sides by 7, so this becomes 704 times 7 equals to 2 times 22 times 8 times h. Now from here, divide both sides by 2 times 22 times 8 over 2 times 22 times 8. So this and this will go off. 8 will cancel 8. So our height is equals to 704 times 7 over 2 times 22, that's 44 times 8. So this will give us 14 centimeter. So the height is 14 centimeter. The height of the cylindrical thing is 14 centimeter.